Good morning, students. Today I will give you the topic complex number of class 11th. So what do you understand by the complex number? Let us study about it. Let me give you the introduction about it. Now students, you have studied in a 10th standard quadratic equation. In a quadratic equation, what we have studied, we have general form of the quadratic equation was ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is our general form of the quadratic equation, in which we are used to calculate the discriminant. That is, discriminant is denoted by the delta. And what do you say? B square minus 4ac, isn't it? So we used to calculate the discriminant. So while calculating the discriminant, we are getting the three conditions. First condition, we are getting that b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. If it is equal to 0, what we will say? We will used to say that roots are real and equal. What do you say? Roots are real and equal. Okay, real and equal. And if our roots b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, greater than 0 means positive terms, then what we say? We say that roots are real but unequal. है ना? Roots are real but unequal. In the same case, in third case, if we are getting the roots like this, b square minus 4ac is less than 0. Less than 0 means what? Less than 0 means negative roots. So if I am getting the negative roots like this, then we say that roots are imaginary. And what we do on that time? We stop the sum and we can't solve further. We wrote like this. Okay? But now in this case, what we have to do? So on the basis of that, we are going to ahead this chapter. अभी हम लोग आगे बढ़ेंगे इस चैप्टर से कि अगर हमें b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac लेस देन 0 आ रहा है तो यानी कि नेगेटिव वैल्यू है, तो नेगेटिव वैल्यू का हम लोग स्क्वायर रूट निकाल नहीं सकते हैं. दैट्स व्हाई वी से यूज्ड टू से द इमेजिनरी, बिकॉज वी कांट टेक आउट द स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ नेगेटिव. सपोज हमारे पास में -4 आ गया तो हाउ विल टेक द स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ दिस में? ठीक है, इट इज़ वेरी इजी टू टेक द स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 4 इज 2, स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 16 इज 4, स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 9 is 3. But when I'll put the here minus sign, it will not equal to 2. If I'll put minus 9, 16, it will not equal to 4. If I'll put minus 9, it will not equal to 4. So to overcome this problem, we have the complex number. What is that? Complex number. Now let us tell you the complex number. Now name itself indicate complex. It is a complex. Why it is a complex? Because it is a mixture of the real and the imaginary number. It is the real plus imaginary. ठीक है, अभी आप सोचोगे रियल और इमेजिनरी क्या है, तो यहाँ पे हम लोग कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर को जनरली हम लोग z से डिनोट करेंगे, रियल पार्ट को x से डिनोट करते हैं और इमेजिनरी पार्ट को y, i, और i लगा देते तो i से हमें डिनोट होता है कि ये इमेजिनरी है. एक्चुअली इमेजिनरी के लिए वी हैव आई जो साइन है वो आयोटा बोलते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल देखो, अभी हम लोग दिखाते हैं. सपोज मेरे पास में है यहाँ पे एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 1 इक्वल टू 0. ठीक है, एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 1 इज इक्वल टू 0. नाउ वी हैव एक्स स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू -1. कैन यू टेल मी द रिजल्ट कि किस नंबर का स्क्वायर करेंगे तो हमें -1 मिलने वाला है? ठीक है ना. दिस इज द इक्वेशन. This equation has no solution in the set of real numbers because there is no real number whose square is -1. We need to extend the set of real numbers to the largest set which would include the solution of such an equation. So we introduce, what we are going to introduce over here? We are going to introduce a Greek letter I. Greek letter I, and I is said to be I is nothing but iota. ठीक है, iota. So such that, let me tell you about this one. What is the function of this I? Now see, when I'll write the I square is equal to minus 1. What is the value of I square? I square is equal to minus 1. It means I is equal to square root of minus 1. Remember, I is equal to square root of minus 1. It means I square is equal to what? I square is equal to minus 1. So where I is an imaginary part, so here I is an imaginary part, and other will be whatever be the x or y will be there, that will be the real part. ठीक है. Now imaginary number, suppose here I am writing minus 25. Okay, so how to take out the square root of this one? What I told you, see here, this is I square is equal to minus 1. So for this convenience आप लोग ऐसे लिख सकते हैं इसको 25 into minus 1. No need to like this, but I am telling you so that you will get understand very easily. Minus 1 का वैल्यू कितना? I square. Just write down I square. Now easily you can take the square root of this one, 5i. This is the square root of the 5i. Suppose I am writing here the square root of minus 100. How to take the square root of this minus 100? Write down here 100 I square. What is 100? 10 or I का I. So this is the value of your this is the how to calculate the square root of the imaginary number. Now suppose I am writing here from your textbook, here the numbers are, some numbers are like this. Z is equal to, general form is a plus bi you can say, or x plus yi, where a is the real part, x is the real part, and if I is attached to that alphabet, that is said to be the imaginary part. Okay, now z, so if I am writing here z 2 plus 4i, now which is the real part? Real part is equal to 2 and imaginary part is equal to 4. ठीक है. Again suppose I am writing 3 minus 6i. Here real part is equal to 3 and imaginary part is equal to minus 6. Now how to calculate the iota? How to take the values of I? Let me tell you about it. So many informations are given in your textbook, so I will take in a short form. तो क्या क्या ले सकते हैं? First of all we will take now how to calculate. Suppose अगर हमारे पास में I raised to बड़ी बड़ी values आ गई, suppose I raised to 6 है, या I raised to 1000 है, या I raised to 2600, 2000, ऐसे कुछ बड़े बड़े numbers है. So in that case how to get the value of this I? Because we know up to this one, that is I square is equal to minus 1, nothing else we know. So for that purpose we have some rules, that is when I raised to 4n, that is whatever the exponent with I, exponent जो भी I का रहेगा, अगर हम उसको 4 से डिवाइड करते हैं, अगर आपका रिमाइंडर 0 आता है तो इसका आंसर हमेशा 1 आने वाला है, हमेशा. We will take the sums according to on the basis of this one. What? Whenever you are dividing the any number with the I, any number with the 4, and if remainder is 0, then your result will be the 1. Now second, I को अगर 4 से डिवाइड करके रिमाइंडर 1 आ रहा है तो इसका रिजल्ट रहता है I. क्या रिजल्ट रहेगा इसका? I. मतलब कि 4 से डिवाइड किया रिमाइंडर, जैसे कि अभी मैंने 9 को डिवाइड किया, 4 2 ज़ा 8, रिमाइंडर कितना आया? 1. यानी कि I रेज टू 9 की वैल्यू जो आएगी, क्योंकि यहाँ पे रिमाइंडर कितना आ रहा है, 4 से डिवाइड करने के बाद रिमाइंडर 1 आ रहा है, तो इसका रिजल्ट आपका डायरेक्टली 1 I आएगा. यानी I को बार बार 9 बार लिखना ऐसी कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. सेकेंड, थर्ड वाला, थर्ड है अगर I को 4 से डिवाइड करने के बाद में यू आर गेटिंग द रिजल्ट 2, देन रिजल्ट विल बी द -1. यानी कि रिमाइंडर जब आपका 2 आ रहा है तो उसका रिजल्ट आएगा -1. ठीक है. दिस इज़ अ वेरी शॉर्टकट वे टू गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ I व्हेन यू हैव द लॉन्ग पावर. 4n plus 3 large power, so it will be the -I. So remember this 4. हाँ, so these are the 4 rules, you have to remember it. अगर आपको ये याद रह जाएगा ना, आप बड़े बड़े सम भी अच्छे से सॉल्व कर लोगे, ठीक है. सो दिस इज़ व्हाट वी हैव टू रिमेंबर इट. तो लेट अस कम टू डायरेक्टली टू द योर एक्सरसाइज Maharashtra Board class 11th part 2 complex number chapter. So your first exercise is exercise 1.1. Now question number 1, simplify. What they are asking you, simplify. Number 1, minus 16. Very simple, फटाफट कर लेते हैं. minus 16 plus 3 root minus 25 plus minus 36 minus square root of minus 625. 625, ठीक है. 625. Let us solve this one. You know this very well. ये हो गया अपना 16 i square plus 3 square root of 25 i square plus square root of 36 i square minus square root of 625 i square. ठीक है. So it will be 4i प्लस, क्योंकि 16 का 4 है और i स्क्वायर का 3 इंटू 5i प्लस 6i माइनस 25i. ठीक है. नाउ लेट अस सॉल्व दिस वन. 4i प्लस 15i प्लस 6i minus 25i. So what you are getting here, 15 plus 4 19, 19 plus 6 25, 19 6 20, 15 plus 4 19, 19 plus 16 9 6 15, yes, 25i, and here already 25i is there, so your result is 0. In this way you have to solve this one. Now take the second one. 4 square root of minus 4 plus 5 square root of minus 9 minus 3 square root of minus 16. Again we have to follow the same steps. 4i square plus 5 9i square minus 3 16i square. So it will be 4 into 2i plus 5 into 3i minus 3 into 4i. So it will be 4 to the 8i plus 15i minus 12i. So it will be 8i plus 3i, which is equal to 11i. Finish. Come to the third question. Now second question, conjugate. Now I have to tell you about the conjugate. Conjugate is nothing but, now second concept. Before starting the question I will tell you about the conjugate. Conjugates. Conjugates is conjugates. Conjugates means we have to change the sign of the real imaginary number. Suppose I have x plus yi. So what is the conjugate of this one? You can write x minus yi. If I am writing 3i plus 4, what is the conjugate of this one? 4 minus 3i. Only you have to change the sign of your imaginary part. Again, suppose I am writing here only 4. So there is no imaginary part, so no need to writing like this. So you will write it as it is. And suppose I have only the real part like this, so it will be the I. So this is the conjugate. So your question number second is, write the conjugate of the following. 3 plus I. What is the conjugate of this one? 3 minus I. Second one, 3 minus they have written only. So you can make it like this, 3i square. So no conjugate for this one, it will remain as it is because real part is not there. Or you can make like this, 3 plus minus 0i, or you can write 3 plus 0i. It will not make any difference because 0 is there, so it will remain the number 3 only. So ये भी लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है हमें. तीसरा, minus root 5 minus root 7i is equal to minus root 5 plus root 7i. बस कॉन्जुगेट का साइन चेंज किया है. फोर्थ, माइनस ऑफ स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 5. नाउ व्हाट इज दिस? लेट्स सी. पहले तो हमें इसको कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा. माइनस विल रिमेन एज इट इज एंड 5 है तो इसको ऐसे लिख लो 5i स्क्वायर एंड टेक आउट द स्क्वायर रूट. यू विल गेट लाइक दिस 5i. नाउ आई हैव टू राइट द कंजुगेट ऑफ दिस वन. सो व्हाट इज द कंजुगेट ऑफ दिस वन? 0 plus root 5i, because what we have to do? We have to change the sign of the imaginary number. So root 5 is an imaginary number, so I am going to change the sign of the imaginary number. Okay, now come to the fifth sum. 5i, it will be minus 5i. Sixth one, root 5 minus I. Conjugate of this one is root 5 plus I. Seventh one, root 2 plus root 3i. Conjugate of this one is root 2 minus root 3i. And the last one is cos theta plus I sin theta. What is the conjugate of this one? Easy. Cos theta minus I sin theta. So in this way your this part is finished. Now let me take the question number 3rd and I will take the lecture till question number 3rd. Find the value of a and b. Find the value of. Students, while watching this video, keep your textbook with you. A plus 2b plus 2ai equal to 4 plus 6i. Now, comparing the real and imaginary part, you know that x plus yi. So we have, this is the real part and this is the imaginary part. Similarly here you can see that this is the real part and this is the imaginary part. So real part will get compared with the real part and imaginary part will get compared with the imaginary part. So you will get like this: a plus 2b equal to 4 and 2ai equal to 6i. While comparing, I will get 2a is equal to 6, a is equal to 6 upon 2, a is equal to 3. So I got the value of a. Now you substitute this value in this equation, that is 3 plus 2b equal to 4. therefore you will get 2b is equal to 4 minus 3. So b is equal to 1 upon 2. So in this way you are getting the value of a and b. Now come to the question number second of this one. A minus b plus a plus b I is equal to a plus 5i. Now again comparing, a minus b is equal to, no, it is a, they must have written something wrong. It should not be a, it should be some number over here. Let us make it 4. A minus b is equal to 4 and a plus b is equal to 5. Now let add this one. A minus b is equal to 4, a plus b is equal to 5. Adding, I will get a plus a 2a, b get cancelled, 5 plus 4 9. So a is equal to 9 by 2. Now substitute the value of a is equal to 2 in any one of the equation. Let me substitute in this one. So a 9 upon 2 plus b is equal to 5. Maybe question will wrong, but I am doing by assuming it as a 4 only. So you will get b is equal to 2 5s are 10 minus 9 upon 2. So your b is 1 by 2. So these two values you are getting for the a and b. Now come to the question number third part of this one. A plus b in bracket 2 plus I closed equal to b plus 1 plus 10 plus 2a I. Again comparing, ठीक है, रियल पार्ट, बट यहाँ पे हम लोग को यू कैन सी दैट ऑल द सम्स आर इन मल्टीप्लिकेशन फॉर्म. सो वी हैव टू डू द मल्टीप्लिकेशन. तो कैसे मल्टीप्लिकेशन करेंगे? So it will be (2a plus ai plus 2b plus bi) is equal to b plus 1 plus 10 plus 2a I. Let us take together 2a plus 2b plus a plus b I equal to b plus 1 plus 10 plus 2a I. तो क्या करेंगे? 2a प्लस 2b को कंपेयर करते हैं b प्लस 1 से, और इमेजनरी को a प्लस b इज इक्वल टू 10 प्लस 2a. तो क्या हो जाएगा यहाँ पे? 2a प्लस 2b माइनस b इक्वल टू 1, a प्लस b माइनस 2a इक्वल टू 10. यहाँ पे कंस्ट्रक्शन का काम चालू है, इसके कारण बहुत आवाज़ थोड़ा आ रहा है. लेट अस बेयर इट, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. 2a प्लस b इक्वल टू 1 एंड इट विल बी माइनस a प्लस b इक्वल टू 10. नाउ वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट दिस टू इक्वेशन, और यू कैन डू द मल्टीप्लाई करके 2 से ऐड भी कर सकते हैं. तो आपको जो अच्छा लगता है कर लेंगे. तो मैं सब्ट्रैक्ट फेवर कर रही हूँ. सो हियर सब्ट्रैक्टिंग 2a प्लस b इक्वल टू 1 सो वाइल सब्ट्रैक्टिंग यू नो दैट आई टॉट यू वेरी वेल कि सेकेंड इक्वेशन का हमेशा पूरा साइन चेंज हो जाता है। तो ये प्लस ए हो जाएगा, ये माइनस बी हो जाएगा और ये -10 हो जाएगा। आप सब्ट्रैक्ट किया तो ये a प्लस ए तो 3a, 2a प्लस ए तो 3a हो गया, b भी कैंसिल हो गया और ये हुआ अपना -9, यानी a का वैल्यू कितना आया -9/3, a का वैल्यू आया -3। अब b का वैल्यू निकाल लेते हैं आराम से। पुट एनीवन मैं इसमें डालती हूँ, इस इक्वेशन में डालती हूँ। तो a का वैल्यू मैंने डाला है इस इक्वेशन में -a + b = 10 में। तो डालेंगे तो कितना आ जाएगा ये माइनस माइनस तो प्लस हो जाएगा, 3 + b = 10, b = 10 - 3, b का वैल्यू आया 7। तो ये अपने पास में a और b दोनों आ चुके हैं। ठीक है, चलो अभी फोर्थ सम को चलो लेट अस गो टू हेड्स द फोर्थ सम। Your fourth sum is ABI is equal to 3A minus B plus 12I. Let us compare। अब यहाँ पे तो रियल पार्ट है ही नहीं ना, so you can write here 3A minus B is equal to 0 because real part is not there, and AB is equal to 12. So here you can write b is equal to 12 upon a and just substitute the value 3a minus 12 upon a equal to 0. Now solve this one, 3a square minus 12 equal to 0. Taking out the 3 common, you will get a square minus 4 equal to 0. 3 will go there and it will divide with the 0, it will get 0. a square minus 4 equal to 0. So which equation do you get? यह a की वैल्यू क्या क्या मिलेगी हमें यहाँ पे? तो a minus 2 a plus 2 equal to 0, यानी कि a की वैल्यू equal to 2 है एंड a की वैल्यू equal to -2 है। अगर a की वैल्यू -2 है तो हम लोगों को यहाँ पे सब्स्टिट्यूट करना पड़ेगा। We have to substitute in this way in this equation so that we will get the value of b. तो एक बार 2 डालेंगे, एक बार a डालेंगे। So b is now b is equal to 12 upon a. So b is equal to 12 upon 2. So I will get 6. b is equal to 12 upon -2. I will get -6. So your values are a की वैल्यू कितनी है 2 और -2 है और b की वैल्यू जो है 6 और -6 है। So in this way you are getting this one. Now come to the question number 5th. Now 5th question is 1 upon a plus bi is equal to 3 minus 2i. Now how to do this one? Let us we will change it. 1 upon 3 minus 2i is equal to a plus bi. So let us make the conjugate of this one. 1 upon 3 minus 2i multiply by 3 plus 2i upon 3 plus 2i. So you will get 3 plus 2i upon, now you can see this students, this is a minus b, a plus b. So we will do it a square minus 2i the whole square. So it will be 3 plus 2i upon 9 minus 4i square. So what is 3 equal to 3 plus 2i 9. This I square, what is the value of I square? I square is equal to -1. So -4 into -1. So it will be the 3 plus 2y equal to minus 9 plus 4 13. So what is the value of a? Now let us write here separately 3 upon 13 plus 2 upon 13 I, you have to compare it with the a plus bi. A is equal to 3 upon 13 and b is equal to 2 upon 13. So your fifth question is also over. Now come to the last question of this question number 3rd this session. तो this is the question number 6th one. 6th one क्या दिया है? a plus bi bracket closed 1 plus I equal to 2 plus I. Now let's multiply a plus ai plus bi plus bi square equal to 2 plus I. Now again take the real parts together and imaginary part together. तो ये तो a हो गया और if I'll take the I common from these two terms, I will make it like this, and all of you know the value of I square is -1, so I will get here minus b 2 plus I. Now here a minus b plus a plus b I is equal to 2 plus I. Now compare a minus b is equal to 2 and a plus b is equal to 1, because I get cancelled and I am remaining with them. Again addition of these two equations, two linear equation. So I will write like this: a minus b is equal to 2 and a plus b is equal to 1. So b get cancelled. Here I will get 2a is equal to 3, a is equal to 3 by 2, and substitute this value in any one of the equation. I am substituting in this one. So 3 upon 2 plus b is equal to 1. Therefore b is equal to 1 minus 3 upon 2. So b is equal to 2 minus 3 upon 2. b is equal to minus 1 by 2. So hence a is equal to 3 by 2 and b is equal to minus 1 by 2 is the solution. So students, we have taken the first three questions and taken all the sums, not excluded anyone. So today is enough. Okay, bye. Take care.